Hi, I'm quickly going to demo a new feature of Microsoft 365 embedded for Monday.com, and it's called a secure chart embed. So the idea is to be able to embed a chart from within an Excel document stored in Microsoft 365, be it in OneDrive for Business or SharePoint, and display it in a dashboard within Monday.com. So let's put this in. So we're going to go into more widget and search for Excel, and currently you can see this is a development widget, so we're going to just add that there, and it says please sign in, and I'm using my test account, so we need to sign in the username and password, and because this is two-factor authentication, I'm just adding this on my phone, and then it says yes, and now we see the wizard to select the chart. So here you can see it says select file and select chart. So we're going to have a look at what we can select. So you can select from a site, a SharePoint site, and browse in there. That doesn't appear to have anything in it right now. We're going to just select this one here. And that reads the Excel document and then tells us the names of the worksheets. So if we select one of the worksheets, it shows you the charts that are on that worksheet. So we're now going to select that chart, and it will give us a preview of what that chart is. And if we didn't like that one, we could go and have a look at the other chart. Actually, I prefer the original one. And then we save the configuration, and now you get this chart embedded in here, and we can move that around a little bit, and then if you go onto view, then you can't change the configuration. People who have access to this chart in Microsoft 365 can view the chart here, and then also they can say open it in the app or open it in the browser, and then the browser will open and you can see the chart there. So changes that you make here are reflected in Monday.com. And that's it. So it's a really easy way of taking some data, taking a visualization that's stored elsewhere in Microsoft 365 and displaying it within Monday.com. Thanks for your time.